Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create custom properties on HubSpot. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools and settings you need. After you've logged in and the dashboard is fully loaded, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where all the customization and configuration options live. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. Now that you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with various sections listed. Scroll down through this menu until you find the Data Management section. This is where HubSpot organizes all the tools related to managing your contacts, companies, deals, and their associated properties. Inside the Data Management section, look for and click on Properties. This option controls all the custom fields and information you can track across your HubSpot account. Clicking on Properties will open up a new view showing you all the existing properties in your system, both default ones that come with HubSpot and any custom ones you've already created. Once the Properties page loads, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a button that says Create Property. Click on this button to start building your new custom property from scratch. This is where you'll define exactly what information you want to track. In the first field that appears, input your property label. This is the name that will display throughout HubSpot whenever this property appears. Choose something clear and descriptive so your team knows exactly what information goes in this field. For example, you might label it something like customer tier, onboarding status, or preferred contact time. Next, you'll need to define what type of information this property will hold. Click the drop-down menu under Field Type and choose the format that matches your needs. You might select text for open-ended responses, number for numerical data, date for time-based information, or one of the other available options. The field type you choose determines how the data can be entered and filtered later. If you want to ensure that no two contacts or records have the same value in this property, you can check the checkbox that says Require unique values for this property. This is useful for things like employee IDs, account numbers, or any other identifier that should never be duplicated across your database. Once you've configured everything the way you want it, click the Create Property button. HubSpot will save your new custom property and make it available throughout your account wherever it's relevant. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom property on HubSpot that you can now use to track specific information across your contacts, companies, or deals. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.